Okay, so this is really not a good question for an exam. And the reason it does require the use of a calculator. But they say, suppose an object is dropped from a platform that's 400 meters above the ground. It's dropped, by the way. Its position, s in meters above the ground, is given by a function that's related to t in seconds. And this is the function they've given you, all right? It says, using t equals 5, find values to the left and right of t equals 5, and compute the corresponding slopes of the secant lines, all right? So I hope you realize that what we're doing is we need to get m secant. And m secant is going to be the slope, and this is going to be, let's see, s of t minus s at 5 over t minus 5. And what we're doing is we're taking values of t that are close to 5 from the right and left. So the first thing I would do is I would do probably the right of 5. And what's right of 5? Numbers like 5.1, 5.01, 5.001. I hope you realize that these numbers are going towards 5 from the right side. And here comes the part where I think most students would really struggle with this, is the computation of it. It can be done, by the way. It's not a difficult computation. But you get numbers. What numbers do you get? Well, if you evaluate this thing at 5.1, you'd get this number, then this number, and that number. And what do you notice about this over here? It appears that the sequence of numbers, it looks like it's going towards minus 49, all right? Now, if you do it from the left of 5, all right, a good sequence of numbers to the left of 5 would be, like 4.9 to the left of 5, 4.99, and 4.999. Where are these numbers going towards? These numbers are going towards 5 from the left side. What's expected? That you go back up here and you compute these numbers here. And again, for most students, that require the use of a calculator. What do you notice about this over here? These numbers also appear to be going towards minus 49. So what I'm going to do, certainly you can make a guess at the slope of the tangent line. I don't think it's much of a guess at this point, but make a guess at the slope of the tangent line. Well, it looks like both of them are going towards minus 49. Minus 49 what? Meters. Make sure they did say that. Yep. Meters per second. In other words, change in distance is in meters. The change in time is in seconds. So minus 49 meters per second. Now, can that be verified? That can be verified, by the way. But anyway, that's what that's supposed to do. That's what you should end up doing. Thank you.